Hola, this tutorial session is going to help you. I'm going to walk you through recording your own voice, layering in some music, saving your files in MP3, and also turning that assignment in for Visita Madrid. So first go to Audacity. Audacity can be found under All Programs, and this is the icon. When you open up Audacity, it should be a blank canvas. And when you click on record, anything that you say, of course, will be recorded. So this is a test for the Visita Madrid radio announcement. Hit stop when you're done, and now you can play your voice by clicking anywhere that this little hand points at. Spacebar is your start and stop. So this is a test for the Visita. And you can use it like a DVD player up here to rewind or stop. And every time you add more voice, you're going to see more layers. So these voice layers are noted here as audio track, and you can delete them and start fresh by going File, New. Once you have your voice recorded, you can go in and select things that you want to maybe delete, and you can play that section that you want deleted. You'll clip it with the scissor tool up here, and if you want to get rid of the little breaths to get you closer to that spot on point of either 30 seconds or 60 seconds, that would help. Now that your voice is all set to go, you will go to Jamendo, which is JAMENDO.com, and it is a free search tool for free MP3s that we can download. You'll do a search here in the search tab, and then tell it what kind of music that you want. So if you want something that sounds very Español, then you can search for that. You can preview your selection. If that is a selection that I'm interested in adding to my announcement, I'll just click here on download. Please do this in Mozilla. This is what I'm testing it in, so it's going to work better. Click on free download, and it's going to go to your download folder. Click on save instead of opening it. And that's just going to take a little bit to download. Now we're going to go tell Audacity to go find that. And when we do, we're going to go to Project, Import Audio, and we're going to go find it under the downloads. So under My Documents, you'll find it on Downloads, and we'll go find the song that I just downloaded. Here it is, La Quinta. Open that up, and now it's gonna pull that in as another layer. So on top you're gonna see the voice, on the bottom you're gonna see the music. And you're gonna want to trim that music down. So it looks like it's four plus minutes of music, and if you only need 30 seconds, then you're gonna want to do some cutting. You can zoom in to see very accurately where are you in terms of 30 seconds and 60 seconds. So you could trim that music down right to 30 and hit cut. And then you would want to add your voice in. Once you're done with your assignment, you're going to export it as an MP3. And just hit OK to that. And then you're going to tell it what you want it saved at. My suggestion is let's do first names. Let's do first and last names, and also section numbers. So section 3, section 4 for your block number. That way I know who it is that's turning in that assignment. You're going to fill in some information for iTunes. So when you share this track and it goes into a media player, you're going to want to give it a title. So you want to give it, I'll just call mine example, and I'll just give it my name. An album is clearly my greatest hits. It's track number 1 in 2012, and the genre is it's definitely got a funk sound to it. Comments, I don't need any. I'll just click on OK. It's gonna save the file as an MP3. And now I'm ready to turn in my assignment. When I go to turn in my assignment, I'm going to go to CourseWeb, which is at courseweb.buffalo.k12.mn.us. You'll use your normal network login for on campus. And if you've never been to the Spanish 1 course, you're going to search under the high school, world languages, and then I have a Spanish 1 Becker's course. If you're prompted for an enrollment key, which is a password, the password is listed on your handout. Once you get to Chapter 4 within the CourseWeb course, you're going to click on Visita Madrid, turn in file here. And actually, let me show you in student mode what this looks like, because I'll be able to turn in the assignment that way. You're going to upload it just like you would attach in an email. So when you click on Visita Madrid, you're going to get the option to go search for that file. Browse for the file on the desktop, and mine was called example. And I'll just look for it up here. Oh, first and last names, just kidding. First and last name, section 3. You would be done with this assignment by clicking on upload the file. Questions, double check the handout. Also go through this tutorial, and then also you want to be able to support each other. That's going to be very helpful. Test, test.